So you have fungal issues, maybe jock itch, fungus between the toes. What do you do? How do you naturally get rid of this, or at least prevent them from coming back? You need to understand why they're coming. They're coming because fungus, their job is to eat the dead, putrid stuff. If you put a piece of cheese on the table or a piece of bread, you see fungus comes and eats it because it's dead food. And the fungus job is to break down dead food, to recycle atoms. So when you have this on your body, it means your lymphatic system internally is stagnant. It's not moving. It's like a river. A river not moving becomes dirty. It attracts fungus and bacteria and parasites because their job is to clean the river out. So you gotta get your lymphatic system moving with the fruits. You gotta get the kidneys filtering, and you can use tinctures for fungus. That will help get rid of fungus, but it's going to be a relentless job. You have to completely stop eating any cooked foods or animal products. Go on only fruits, because if mono fruit will help the body digest properly, it will prevent the medium from which the parasites like to breed, and to get your lymph moving. And you take about 2 different kidney tinctures and go on and fix the adrenals, kidneys, lymphatic system, endocrine system, stomach and bowels, and this will prevent the medium from arising so that this fungus don't come back, to get rid of the fungus for you.